DHI breakout din 'to. DHI actually is on my watch list but was not able to enter on this candle since I didn't expect DHI na mag-breakout ng ganito kalakas. My entry signal for the stock is itong breakout niya dito sa swing high na 'to, around 9.24 and around 9.24 or breakout nitong taas na 'to. But I didn't expect na magko-close si DHI na ganito kataas, 47.96 again for this week. For me, masyadong volatile yung ganitong movement or yung ganitong increase which made me stay away. I may be wrong but with my trade conditions na sinusundan ko, it simply tells me to stay in the sides. Historically, yung mga stock na may ganitong run usually prone sila sa massive sell-off or pwede sila maging bull traps. So conservatively, to protect my capital, I refrain from this kind of movements and look for other opportunities that pass my trade condition. So Dominion's holding is also on its 52-week high na din, malapit sa 52-week high. It may go further from this point. So tingnan natin if that's the case with DHI or magkakaroon ng bentahan after this.